Hello children, let's start today's video. Class 3rd, subject Maths, Chapter 1, Measuring Time, Summary Lecture number 1. Children, in this video we are going to revise all the topics which we have learned in the chapter number 1. This is the summary lecture. I will summarize all the topics which I have already discussed with you in chapter number 1. आज हम उन सभी टॉपिक्स को एक बार फिर से रिवाइज करेंगे जो हमने चैप्टर नंबर 1 में किए हैं. In this video, our subtopics are quarter time, quarter hours, AM and PM. And the last one is conversion. Children, this chapter is around all these topics: quarter hours, AM and PM, and conversion. So let us discuss all these topics in this video. Initially, we will discuss on quarter hours. In quarter hours, there are two times. First one is quarter to, and then second one is quarter past. When the minute hand is at 3, the time is read as quarter past. When the minute hand is at 3, the time is read as quarter past. जब हमारा minute hand clock में minute hand जो longer hand है वो 3 पर होगा, then the time is read as quarter past. It means the minute hand has covered 15 minutes. It means जो minute hand है उसने 15 minutes cover कर ली. Let's take example of clock. In this clock, the minute hand, this red hand is indicating minute hand as it is longer hand. This minute hand is at 3. That is why the time is quarter past. Quarter past 10. As because the hour hand is in between 10 and 11, minute hand is at 3. That's why the time is quarter past 10 or 10:15. 10:15 as because 3 multiplied by 5. 3 5s are 15. मिनट हैंड जिस भी नंबर पर होता है आप उसको 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. Then do 3 multiply by 5. 3 5s are 15. So this time is quarter past 10 or 10:15. Both are correct. Next, when the minute hand points at 9, the time is read as quarter to. It means the minute hand has covered 45 minutes. The hour hand is close to the next hour. It means when the minute hand points at 9, जब minute hand 9 पर points करता है, 9 को points करता है, the time read as quarter to. आप उसे quarter to बोलते हैं. It means the minute hand has covered 45 minutes. इसका इंडिकेशन होता है कि minute hand ने 45 minutes cover कर लिए हैं. The hour hand is close to next hour. और जो hour hand हमारा होता है second hand which is short in size, that is near to, that is close to next hour. वो next hour के close होता है. Take example of clock. In this clock, the minute hand is at 9, pointing 9, and the hour hand is in between 12 and 1. This hour hand is near to 1. That is why this time is quarter to 1. Or 12:45. 9 5s are 12:45, that's why 12:45, or you can say 1:45. Move to the next one, that is AM and PM. The time from 12 o'clock midnight to 12 o'clock noon is called AM. The time from 12 o'clock midnight, जो रात के 12 बजे से सुबह के, इट मीन्स दोपहर के 12, नून मतलब दोपहर के जो 12 बजते हैं, दैट टाइम द ड्यूरेशन इज नोन एज AM. उसको आप AM में काउंट करेंगे. इट कुड बी 1 AM, 2 AM सुबह के 2, 3 AM, 4 AM, 5 AM, 11 AM. But when it is 12, it is noon. The time from 12 o'clock noon to 12 o'clock midnight is called PM. And the same one, the time from 12 o'clock noon, और दोपहर की 12 बजे से, this is the second round taken by the hand of the clock. 12 noon से और midnight तक का जो ड्यूरेशन होगा, जो भी टाइम होगा, that is known as PM. 12 noon to 12 midnight. Okay children, now let us see some examples related to AM and PM. Let us see examples how the questions can be given and what would be the type of the questions. अब हम इसमें देखेंगे कि क्वेश्चन की क्या टाइप हो सकते हैं, AM and PM से रिलेटेड आपको कैसे टाइम दे सकते, क्वेश्चंस दे सकते हैं. Before giving the examples, let me tell you again, 12 o'clock midnight to 12 o'clock noon. It means जब हम रात के 12, बिल्कुल आधी रात में जब 12 होते हैं, from that time to 12 o'clock noon, all the duration, all the time, all the o'clock time or half past, any else, all the times are known as AM. Okay, but here the thing that you have to notice, with the time when you are writing 12 o'clock, there is no need to write AM or PM. And when you are writing 12 PM or 1 PM, 1 AM, there is no need to write o'clock. It means to say clearly, आप जब o'clock लिख रहे हैं तो उसके साथ AM PM नहीं लिखेंगे, और जब आप AM PM लिख रहे हैं तो आप o'clock नहीं लिख सकते. Okay, this thing you have to keep in your mind. Well, let's move forward. Now let us see the questions. In this one here, hours between 12 noon to 4 PM. Okay children, here you have to count the hours between 12 noon to 4 PM. This thing is included time interval. ये AM और PM का ही पार्ट होता है, जिसको हम टाइम इंटरवल के नेम से भी जानते हैं. मीन्स AM और PM के ही रिगार्डिंग ये क्वेश्चंस होते हैं. ओके, सो इन दिस वन यू हैव टू टेल द आवर्स बिटवीन 12 noon to 4 PM. आपको 12 noon से और 4 PM तक के आवर्स बताने हैं. When you do these kind of sums, you have to keep one thing in your mind only. Only one thing. You have to draw that the clock according to the given time. आपको उस टाइम के अकॉर्डिंग क्लॉक अपने माइंड में सेट करनी है कि 12 और नून क्लॉक में कैसे होते हैं एंड 4 PM क्लॉक में कब और कैसे होते हैं. Let us imagine 12 o'clock, 12 noon. 12 noon, it means clearly, it is as clear कि 12 noon कब होते हैं, जब दोपहर में बिल्कुल शार्प 12 होते हैं. So this is 12 noon, and the second image is 4 PM. 4 PM when it is, so let us count, 12 noon to 1 PM is equal to 1 hour. Means 12 noon से लेकर 1 PM तक कितने आवर होंगे? टोटल 1 hour. 1 PM to 2 PM is equal to 1 hour. 1 PM से 2 PM तक it is also 1 hour. 2 PM to 3 PM is equal to again 1 hour. 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. is equal to 1 hour. Now the given time has been completed, means 12 noon to 4 p.m. We have counted the hours. At last we have to count the number of hours, the total number of hours. Let's count 1 hour. 1. Here again 1. So let us count the total. 1, 2, 3, 4. It means total 4 hours. 12 noon to 4 p.m. is equal to 4 hours. As we have counted it here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 hours. Now take the second type of questions. What time will it be 3 hours after? Here you have to count. You have to add 3 hours and then find out at what time you will be reach. आपको देखना है कि आप फिर कौन से टाइम पर पहुंचते हैं. आपको 3 hours ऐड करने के बाद या 3 hours बाद क्या टाइम मिलता है, आपको वो टाइम फाइंड आउट करना है. ड्यूरेशन नहीं बताने की कितना ड्यूरेशन हो, आपको बताना अल्टीमेट टाइम क्या होगा. So let us do. The question is 8 p.m. From 8 p.m. you have to count 3 hours. Let's start doing. 8 p.m. plus 1 hour is equal to 9 p.m. 8 p.m. के 1 hour बाद what time it will be? It will be 9 p.m. 8 p.m. plus 1 hour is equal to 9 p.m. After that 9 p.m. plus 1 hour is equal to 10 p.m. 10 p.m. plus 1 hour is equal to 11 p.m. Children, here in the question only 3 hours were given. It was asked the time after 3 hours. 11 p.m. Okay. So children, in the question it was clearly asked after 3 hours. So 1 hour, again 1 hour and again 1. It means 1, 2, 3. 3 hours completed. Now the ultimate time is 11 p.m. So we can say 3 hours after 8 p.m. is equal to 11 p.m. Okay children, it's 11 p.m. Now let's see some sums of conversion. Convert into days. 3 months, 5 days. Children, you have to convert 3 months, 5 days into days. This is month and this is the unit days. आपको इन सबको total days में ही make करना है, days में convert करना है. 1 month is equal to 30 days. आप सबको पता है 1 month में 30 days होते हैं. That's why 3 months is equal to 3 multiply 30 is equal to 90 days. How 90 days? It's so simple. 3 months को आप convert कर रहे हैं 1 month में 30 days. That's why in 3 months 3 multiply by 30. This 30. In multiplicand and multiplier there is 1 0. So in product we will write 1 0. 3 3s are 9. That means 3 multiplied by 30 is equal to 90. So 90 days. In this one we have converted 3 months. Now loose 5 days are remained. 90 days plus 5 days equal to 95 days. These 90 days and plus these 5 days, 90 and plus 5 is equal to 95. So total days are 95 days. Convert into minutes. You have to convert into minutes. 9 hours, 6 minutes. All these you have to convert into minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. You all know 1 hour में total 60 minutes होते हैं. That's why 9 hours is equal to 9 multiplied by 60. 540 minutes. How it is? Multiplicand and in multiplier there is 1 0. That's why in product there would be 1 0. 9 6 are 54. So 9 multiplied by 60 is equal to 540 minutes. This 540 minutes plus 6 minutes is equal to 546 minutes. Children, here I used to write MIN and dot. MIN dot means minutes. Here also, so 540 plus 6 is equal to 546 minutes. Okay children, so I hope these all concepts are clear to you all. Whenever you take online classes, make sure you have watched the given video. Okay, and pen down your queries, pen down your questions so that you can ask them frequently in the online classes, ताकि आप उनको ऑनलाइन क्लास में डिस्कस कर सको. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं आपको ऑनलाइन क्लास ले रही हूँ और आपने अभी तक वीडियो भी नहीं देखी और आपके कोई डाउट ही नहीं होते फिर, क्योंकि आपको ये नहीं पता होता कि वीडियो में अभी तक मैंने क्या करवाया है. सो इट्स कंपल्सरी टू वॉच वीडियो फर्स्ट and then join to online classes. Okay children, it would maintain your decorum as well as mine also. Now let us take the homework, and your homework is do assignment number 1 uploaded on EdQuark website. You can get the assignment from EdQuark website as well as on your WhatsApp group. I will send, so you can take from there and do that assignment. Submit its solution on my email ID that is already provided to you. Now here we will go to discuss the homework solution of previous lecture. Question number 3. Convert into hours. 21 days, 28 hours. These one you have to convert into hours combiningly. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. That is why 21 days is equal to 21 multiplied by 24 is equal to 504 hours. Let us see how 504. Let's arrange 21 multiplied by 24. This one is 84. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. It's a simple multiplication. You can do it easily. There is the sign of multiplication. Then 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now let's do add. 4, 8 and 2 10, carry 1, 4 and 1 5. You have to keep carry in your mind. It's 504 hours. Now 21 days has been converted into 504 hours. Let's convert. Let's add these hours also. 504 hours plus 28 hours is equal to 532 hours. Let us see how. These 504 hours plus 28 hours. Here we will do 28, add and then answer. 4 and 8, 12, carry 1. 0 and 2, 2, but 1 carry ka also, so 3, 5 is 5. So 532 hours total. Question number 3 also part. Next part we will do, that is part C. It is 8 days 19 hours. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 8 days is equal to 8 multiplied by 24 is equal to 192 hours. Let us do multiplication. 24 multiplied by 8, the answer is 192. 8 4s are 32, carry 3, 8 2s are 16, 16 and 3 19. 192 hours plus 19 hours is equal to 211 hours. Let's do addition here. 2 and 9, 11. Carry 1, 9 and 1, 10 and 1, 11. carry 1, 1 and 1, 2. That is why the answer is 211 hours. Question number 4. Convert into minutes. 12 hours. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. You all know this thing. Then 12 hours is equal to 12 multiplied by 60 is equal to 720 minutes. Let me show you. In multiplicand and multiplier there is only one zero and 12 6 are 72. That's why the answer is 720 minutes. Move to the next one. Question number 4. Convert into minutes and the part is C. 1 hour 50 minutes. आपको इसको convert करना था. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. This is the formula. Then 1 hour is equal to 1 multiplied by 60 minutes. Children, this is very common thing. ये आपको I think बताने की भी जरूरत नहीं है, यहाँ पे मेरे को multiply भी करने की जरूरत नहीं थी. But as the question says, मैं आपको यहाँ पे करके दिखा रही हूँ ताकि आपको कोई confusion ना हो. But ये जो 1 hour वाली thing है, this is cleared in this line also. ये इसी line में clear हो जाती है कि 1 hour में 60 minutes होते हैं. But I am doing here as you have done the previous questions in this same format. क्योंकि आपने पिछले सारे क्वेश्चन सेम फॉर्मेट में किए, तो जस्ट फॉर यू ओनली आई एम मेंशनिंग इट हियर. ओके बेटा. देन 60 मिनट्स इज इक्वल टू 60 मिनट्स प्लस 50 मिनट्स इज इक्वल टू 110 मिनट्स. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो 60 एंड 50 को प्लस करने से 110 होता है. ये आप सबको बताइए, ये बिल्कुल इजी सा एडिशन है. 0 0 0 6 and 5 11. तो इसको मेंशन करने के आई डोंट थिंक सो देयर इज एनी नीड. सो चिल्ड्रन, हियर दिस इज पेज नंबर 12 completed. The part B and D of question 3 and part A and C of question number 4 were given. Now let us solve page number 14. First one is 9:25. It means our hand must be in between 9 and 10 and 5 5s are 25. That's why minute hand at 5. And in the second way you can write it 25 minutes past 9. 5 5s are 25, so 25 minutes past 9. Quarter to 7 means our hand at 7, minute hand at 9. 9 5s are 45. So you can write it 45 minutes past 6. And third way, you also can write it 6:45. Both are correct. You can opt anyone. See, 5 minutes to 11. It means 11 बजने में भी 5 minutes remain है. That's why minute hand at 11, our hand near to 11. In this one 5 minutes to 11, or you can write it 10:55. 11 5s are 55. 3:15. And this 3 is missed. 3:15. Minute hand at 3, as 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Okay, so and our hand little down to 3. It's 3:15. Or you can write it quarter past 3. Okay children, so this is done. Question number 3. Here is a calendar for the month of August. This is the calendar. Now answer these questions. Here, there are dash days in the month of August. 31 days are there. What days fall on the following dates? 1 ko there is Thursday. 6 there is 6, it's Tuesday. 18 it's Sunday. 26 is here and here is Monday. After that 30, on 30th August it is Friday. Write all the dates falling on Thursday. Thursday पर जो भी dates आ रही हैं उसको आपने write करना है. This is Thursday column. 1, 8, 15, 22, 29. 1, 8, 15, 22, 29. Write the dates of the following days. First Sunday. When the first Sunday? 4. 4th Tuesday. Tuesday is here. 1 2 3 4 27. आपको सिर्फ डेट राइट करनी है, ऑर्डिनल नंबर में लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, ना ही आपको पीछे अगस्त राइट करने की जरूरत है. Okay children, so here we have done. I have finished here. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.